In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Meet account and get started using it. We'll walk step by step from understanding what you actually need to opening Google Meet and being ready to host or join meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and why, even if you're not very familiar with Google's tools. First, it's important to understand that Google Meet doesn't really use a completely separate account of its own. Instead, it runs on your existing Google account. That same Google account gives you access to most Google apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, and of course, Google Meet. So if you already use Gmail or sign into YouTube with a Google account, you're most likely already set up to use Google Meet. Because of that, there's no need to create a brand new account just for Google Meet if you already have a Google account. In fact, creating multiple accounts can sometimes cause confusion, like not remembering which one is linked to which meetings. So before you do anything else, take a moment to think. Do you already sign into any Google service? If the answer is yes, you can skip creating a new account and move straight to opening Google Meet. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll want to create one first by going to Google's sign up page and following the prompts. Once that's done, or if you already had an account to begin with, you're ready for the next part, accessing Google Meet through your account settings. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account in your web browser. You can check this by looking in the top right corner of a Google page, like the main Google search page. You should see your profile picture or an initial there. Once you're sure you're signed in, go ahead and open a new tab and type in myaccount.google.com. This page is your main Google account dashboard where you manage security, privacy, and access to different Google services. On this page, look again to the top right corner. You'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. Click on that grid. A panel will open showing a collection of Google services that are available with your account, such as Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. In that list of apps, look for Google Meet. Depending on how many apps you use, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you see Google Meet, click it. This will open Google Meet in a new tab or window, and you're now inside the Meet interface using your existing Google account. From here, you can start using its functions right away. You'll typically see options to start a new meeting or join an existing one using a meeting code or link. Starting a new meeting will generate a unique link that you can share with others by email or chat. Joining a meeting just requires you to paste or type in the code or click a link someone has sent you, and that's all there is to it. You use your regular Google account, access the Google Apps icon from myaccountgoogle.com, select Google Meet, and from there, you're ready to host or join video meetings whenever you need.